How to cancel an Amazon order. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can cancel an Amazon order, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to cancel an Amazon order, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Amazon application here. Now the cancellation of an order really depends upon what stage the order is in, because sometimes the issue could be that, let's say you have ordered something and that the package has already been packaged, it has been shipped to Amazon warehouse. In that case, the order is not cancelable and the only option you have is consulting with an Amazon customer care. However, if you just ordered it like it's been a minute or two, maybe an hour or so, the seller has not seen it, not packaged it, not confirmed it or anything like that, in that case, if you're lucky, your order is still cancelable. Now in order to do this, you have to just come to this little profile icon that you can find from the bottom of the screen. Once you're here on this page, you'll find the Your Orders tab from the very top of the screen here. So make sure to tap the Your Orders, and depending upon whatever order is eligible for cancellation, you can go ahead and do that. Otherwise, I said you just have to contact the customer support. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.